Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to access ChatGPT, the viral chatbot and LP right now in the world. So what you have to do, you just open chat.openai.com like this, and then the windows will be like this. Welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI to continue. So if you or not have the OpenAI account, you can sign up. You can use your Google account or Microsoft account, or you can just write on your email here. But for me, I already registered the ChatGPT, so I can click login, and then I will log on to this ChatGPT using my Google account, and then choose new account. And then here, the interface of ChatGPT. Now here you can ask anything to ChatGPT. For example, how to make 1,000 subscribers in YouTube. See, ChatGPT will suggest you any question. He will, or she will answer what question you are typing on. And then I think you have to wise to choose the answers from this ChatGPT. You have to read it and one more time to make sure that the suggestion is suitable for you and then doable for you. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.